YouTube just released a game-changing update, and most creators don't even know it yet. That's what I'm going through right now. The update just released. You say, imagine your community post showing exactly where viewers are most likely to see them. In other words, this means no more low reach. And wait, struggling to pick the right thumbnail? YouTube new thumbnail tester lets you test your options and choose the one that gets you more clicks, more views, and more growth. So in this video, I'll take you a walk step by step through how to activate the new community tab feature and show you exactly how to use the thumbnail tester like a pro. If you are serious about growing on YouTube, then this update is what you can't afford to miss. So I'll be showing you practically this new update just released by YouTube, though there are other updates that has been released, but this particular update about the use of the thumbnail tester and the activation of your community tab, I'll walk you through it. So if you are serious about growing on YouTube, then this update is for you and you can't afford to ignore it. Alright, so right now I'll be taking you through the screen record. But before the screen record, let me tell you more about these two features. Like the thumbnail tester, this is an AI tool that has been released by YouTube, and it's help you choose the best thumbnail that suits your video. For those of us who struggle to choose like a thumbnail that may be suitable for a particular video, all what you just need to do is to download, as in to create up to 3 thumbnails, and then you upload it. And this can only be done through the YouTube Studio, the desktop version. Either you use your laptop or you use your Chrome with your mobile phone. So what you will do is that you will upload these 3 thumbnails. And another thing you also need to note is this, that the thumbnail tester is only active for videos that are set to public. And if the video is on unlisted or private, the thumbnail tester feature cannot work. Now, if you could still remember a post I created before now, where I talk about how to post on YouTube to gain maximum visibility. Alright, so where I spoke about posting shorts, long form video, making use of every feature available on YouTube. So I specifically made mention of the community tab on YouTube. So I told you that immediately you post your video, share to your community tab, because right now I want to tell you one big truth. The truth is this: YouTube is now recommending community tab posts. When you check the YouTube homepage right now, you will start seeing community tab posts on the YouTube homepage. That's that YouTube is already recommending community tab posts. So it's the right time for you to hop on this. Alright, let's go straight to the screen record now. Right now we are on the YouTube Studio desktop version, and here's one of my channels I want to use as an example for you. And I want to show you how to activate the post tab section. It is in every channel, both old channels and new channels. This is a new channel with just about 13 subscribers, and I want to show you how. So you could see me scrolling at the left hand side. You can see it. So I'll click that this thing. Yes, you could see it. I'll click that particular option, which is the customization. So once I click the customization, it will take me here. While it's loading, it's going to take me to you know, where I have my profile, everything about the profile. I also have my home tab. So the profile here features my profile picture, my cover photo, everything about my channel, the name of my channel, my links, my contact info, my video watermark icon, as well as my contact email. So I go back to the community, to the customization. I click my home tab. Then at the right hand side, you see this add section. Right, so that's the add section. This add section, as you can see, so it is from this place you set how your home page will look like. I will create a video on that, how to set up your home tab. So if you scroll among the options, you see post. As you can see, it's as easy as, ABC. You see this post option. All right, I had to repeat it again for you to properly understand. All right, so I scroll up again to where my post option is. So as soon as I click it, it will be activated. So meaning my post tab will be automatically made live. So this is my post. I click and automatically you see that it will take me down. Alright, so I've activated it already. And take note, you click the publish button. If not, whatever changes you made will not be affected. So I'll now click my publish option, publish. Alright, so I've clicked it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to show you how to use the test and compare, where you can upload up to 3 thumbnails and YouTube will choose the best for you. So right now, if you're having issues with selecting a particular thumbnail for your YouTube video, the test and compare option, which is a new update, helps you to do so. So I'm also going to follow the same similar process like I did initially. So I had to go to the beginning again to start so that you know how I actually went about the entire process. So this is my content. I'll select one of my posts here. So this is the post I'm selecting, and the post is loading, about to open now. So what I'll do, as soon as it opens, alright, so it has opened, I'll scroll down to the thumbnail section. My thumbnail section, that's where I'll scroll to. So this is my thumbnail. Alright. So I'll click on it. Once I click on it, to show me 3 dots close to the thumbnail. You can see the 3 dots there. So if I click on the 3 dots, there are other similar functions that are also there, but I'll tell you about them, how to use them properly, and how to achieve uploading your thumbnail properly. Alright, so as you can see, 4 options. We have change, download, auto-generated, test, and compare. That change, if you click that change, it means you want to change the thumbnail that is there to another one. Then when you click the download option, it means the current thumbnail I've already uploaded, I want to download it into my PC or into my phone. Then auto-generate, how does that work? When I upload a video on YouTube and there is no thumbnail uploaded yet, generate would help me. The test and compare, that's the main option now. Alright, so this channel is a new channel and I have to do my verification for me to use the test and compare. But however, the test and compare option is what I'm telling you about now. So I'm going back to the option again to show you or to tell you more about the test and compare option. Alright, so the auto-generated, it will pick one very, very captivating part in my video and then place it there. So this is the test and compare. Once I click it, then I can have activated my thumbnail tester. Thank you for watching. Alright, so please, if you are just tuning in, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next post.